For chronic overthinker Jess, while there's still minutes left in the day, that means there's still time to change her cabinetry design again.
They're gonna hate me. I just need to change one more thing within our desk writing nook, and that's from natural oak to walnut in colour. So if we can get that, then we're gonna have a classy room. It's the fourth change I've made for him today. If this was real life, I'd just say, just don't worry about it. But it's the block, so... Hi! I used to laugh at people like me. I'd be like, mate, it's a colour, get a life. But now I'm that person. My whole life depends on whether or not I can get a walnut vest. What a loser. I'm going to write him a note. If you don't do the right colour, life's ruined. Hello, my lovely friends. Any chance we can make the desk timber walnut? Please text reply to my number, love number 4. P.S. You're good looking. Do you think I should do that? Do you think flirting sells? I'm gonna give it to them now.